to me, it looked like a moment of realization that, I do matter. Like, and he was just, and I think also he was just very moved by the song. And I heard some of my kids whispering, and I'm like, oh my gosh, they're being so rude. So I turn around, like, what is going on? And they were just like, so and so, I'm not going to say his name, but so and so is, we'll call him D. He's crying. And I'm like, what? Because it just, with him, it didn't compute. So I look over and he was just sobbing, like just quiet tears. But it was like, and then everyone, and all the other kids, I forgot to tell you this part, but all the other kids got teary-eyed because they saw that he was crying. And it was so shocking to them because it's just not who this kid is. He's very like holds all the feelings close to the vest, very stiff upper lip kind of kid. So I think it shocked all of us.